In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupons on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account because any eligible coupon, promotional credit, or travel credit is usually tied directly to that account. Once you're signed in, search for your destination just like you normally would when planning a trip. Enter the location, choose your dates, add the number of guests, and then browse through the available listings. When you find the place you want to book, open the listing and take a moment to review the details so you know it matches your travel plans. After that, tap Reserve or Request to Book, depending on the type of listing. Airbnb will then guide you through the booking flow. As you continue, review your reservation details carefully. This includes your dates, guest count, pricing breakdown, and any fees. Then move forward until you reach the payment page. At this stage, Airbnb may automatically apply any eligible coupon, promotional credit, or travel credit available on your account. In many cases, you won't need to manually do anything, so it's important to look closely at the booking summary. Check whether a discount has already been added and make sure the total reflects that reduction before you continue. In some regions, Airbnb may also display a promo code field during checkout. If that option appears, enter your promo code exactly as provided, then tap Apply. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and extra spaces, since even small errors can prevent the code from working properly. Once the code is applied, or once Airbnb has automatically added your available credit, review the updated total again. This is the best time to confirm that the discount has actually gone through and that the final amount looks correct. If the total hasn't changed, double check the booking summary and make sure the code or credit is eligible for that reservation. When everything looks right, tap Confirm and Pay to finalize your booking. That completes the process. A helpful tip before you finish is to always verify the final total one last time before submitting payment, especially if you're expecting a promotion to be included. That way you can avoid surprises and make sure you're getting the discount available to you. And that's how to add coupons on Airbnb.